Unit 2, Me Too. Hi, how are you all? All are doing great, right? Very good. So let's begin our class. Great. So do you know what we have learned in the last class? Do you remember, children? Yes, we were learning about Me Too. Who is there in Me Too? Can you say who is there in Me Too? Come on, say. I can't hear. Say. Yeah, a chick and a duckling. Right? Do you remember the story? Okay, I will say. Okay. Once a chick and a duckling came out of the egg. Then the duckling started to walk and the chick began to follow the duckling. Okay, and it was walking and it was trying to dig the hole and it was searching for food, and whatever this duckling is doing, that all the chick was also doing by saying me too. Is it clear now? Yes. So we stopped that they got a worm. Both were catching the worm. So till that we have stopped it. Now we can see what will they catch next. So take out your textbook and see, all of you. Take page number 36. So here goes page number 36. All look onto your textbook. I have caught a butterfly, said the duckling. So duckling said, I caught a butterfly. Who caught the butterfly first? We know that the duckling caught the butterfly. What will they do next? What will they do? We can see in the next page. So all of you look. What does the chick say to the duckling? You can see one bubble over there, no? So what does the chick say? As usual, it will say, me too, right? Yes. Now look on to the next page. I want to swim, said the duckling. Now the duckling is going to swim. Do you know the chick can swim? No, right? The chick cannot swim. But let's see what this chick does, okay? Yes. Me too, said the chick. I am also there. What does the duckling want to do? What does the duckling want to do? It wants to swim in the pond, right? Yes. What will the chick do now? What will the chick do now? It will also follow this duckling, right? Yes. So next page. Look, I am swimming, said the duckling. See, I am swimming. See, ducks are capable of swimming, right? Yes. Now, what will the chick do? What is the duckling doing? What is the duckling doing, children, from the picture? Yes, the duckling is swimming in the pond. Now, what will the chick do now? What do you think the chick will do now? Yes, the chick will also jump into the water, right? So let's see the next page. Me too. The chick jumped in. You can see from the picture, right? The chick is jumping into the water. What will happen to the chick? What will happen, children? Can the chick swim? No, right? So what will happen to him? We can see in the next page. Help, help, cried the chick. When the chick jumped into the water, it is going inside the water. It is not able to swim. Chick don't know to swim. So it is crying for help, help, help. What happened to the chick? What happened? Yes, the chick was going inside the water. Who will help it? Who will help the chick? You can see from the picture, the duckling is helping. How can the duckling save the chick? How can it save the chick? Yes, we can see in the next page. the duckling pulled the chick out of the pond. It pulled, you can see from the picture, no? So it is pulling the chick out of the pond. How did the duckling save the chick? How did it save the chick? By pulling out of the pond. What will the duckling do next? What do you think the duckling will do next? Let's see. I am going for another swim, said the duckling. I like to swim. Swimming is my hobby. I am going for another swim. So what do you think the chick has said? Will it go again? No, right? Yes, because it became scared. Because when it jumped into the water, it is not able to swim. It is going inside the water. So, what will the chick say? Will it say me too? No, it will say that I will stay here. What is the duckling going to do? What does the duckling going to do? The duckling is going to have another swim. What will the chick say now? I will stay here. I am not coming with you. I am staying here. Is there a change in the chick? Do you see there is a change in the chick? Yes, right? Yes. So what did he learn from this lesson? Yeah, he learned that one cannot imitate others. What the others are doing, don't copy exactly like that. Okay, God has given each one gift. The duck is able to swim, but the chick is not able to swim. So don't copy what others are doing. So this is what the chick understood from this lesson. Did you like the lesson? So in brief, I will say, once there was a chick and a duckling. They came out of the egg together. First the duckling came out, then the chick came out. And the chick always used to say, me too, me too. Whatever the duckling is doing, that all he tried to imitate it, copy it. First, they were digging this hole in the soil or in the sand, and the chick also was doing what the duckling was doing. Then it caught the worm, then the butterfly, okay, and then last when it was going to swim, the chick also jumped into the pond. But what happened? The chick cannot swim, so it was going deep into the water, so it was crying for help. And it was the duckling who saved the chick and pulled out of the chick from the pond. Okay? And when the duckling was going for another swim, the chick said that I am not coming, I will stay here. So this is the story. So hope you all understood this story, right? Very good. So next is a poem that I will take in the next class. So till then, bye children.